Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. This is Sagar Ali and today we are going to discuss about present simple and it is known as present indefinite in IELTS. So whatever we are going to discuss, we will discuss in IELTS method. Okay, so it will probably help you to learn how to study tenses in IELTS way. So first of all, we will discuss about present indefinite. Therefore, we will discuss about some how spelling rules are present indefinite that will probably help you while writing. Okay, so let's begin. I will use two languages, English and Urdu, or you may say Hindi. Present simple is known as present indefinite in IELTS. The first point you have to keep in mind. Therefore, the form of verb we use in present indefinite is known as base form or present simple form. You don't have need to say V1 or whatever. So for instance, eat, drink, drive, discuss, and so on. Therefore, there are two auxiliary verbs of present indefinite, do and does. In next part, we will learn about toilet uses of present indefinite. So it will be better to learn at the end because I didn't have a space and video will be so longer. So I'm going to share somehow rules and regulations that are going to help you in present indefinite while writing and speaking as well, even though you can apply it while teaching too. Okay, so first of all, we have to discuss if there is third person singular, you have to use, S, ES, IES with its verb. For instance, you may say, here, I arrive, we participate, you learn, he eats, she goes. Here you can see there are mostly teachers who says just put S. So you haven't need to put S, but you have to follow these rules. Therefore, you have to take decision which rule I have to follow. For instance, here you will see S, she goes ES, it fixes ES. Therefore, they play. So third person, but it is plural. So that's why we do not use what? S rule there. Ali studies IES. Why IES? So we will discuss these rules here. Therefore, Ali and Alia negotiate. So Ali and Alia third person but plural. Okay. So इसका मतलब है अगर थर्ड पर्सन हो और सिंगुलर हो तो हम एस का, आईएस का, ईएस का अप्लाई करते हैं. ऐसे नहीं एस पुट करते हैं, एस नहीं पुट करते. अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल्स हम यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं. ओके, सो सब्जेक्ट टू प्रोनाउन एंड ऑब्जेक्ट टू प्रोनाउन. व्हाई वी यूज सब्जेक्ट टू प्रोनाउन एंड ऑब्जेक्ट टू प्रोनाउन? इन अ सेंटेंस वी यूज सब्जेक्ट टू प्रोनाउन टू रिप्लेस सब्जेक्ट टू नाउन. हम सब्जेक्ट टू प्रोनाउन का तब इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हमें सब्जेक्ट टू नाउन को रिमूव करना होता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Therefore, object to pronoun. We use object to pronoun to replace object to noun. For instance, me, us, you, him, her. Now here it could be replaced somehow in box, just like Aaron and Murphy, but it can be used as an object to too. Therefore, them. Okay, so here let's discuss now some spelling rules that are going to help you in present indefinite while writing. And you have some misunderstanding about the spelling rules. You say there would be no any concept about spelling, but there is concept. हर चीज के पीछे, हर रूल के पीछे कॉन्सेप्ट होता है इंग्लिश में. For instance, spelling rules. First, dance, dances. Most of the verbs just need S. Oxford British Grammar, page number 368. Dance, dances. Cook, cooks. Eat, eats. But let's discuss second spelling rule. Go, goes. Now, if there is a verb that ends with O, you have to put ES with its verb in present indefinite. For example, go, G-O, ES, do, does, veto, O, ES. Got it? And there will be, auxiliary verb as well. So you have to count the letter that is at the end point. अगर कोई verb हो और वो उसकी ending जो हो ओ से हो, तो आपको क्या करना होता है, उसमें ई और एस का इजाफा करना होता है. ये कहता है जॉन ईस्टवुड का बुक, जो ऑक्सफोर्ड ब्रिटिश ग्रामर. एंड वन थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड, पेज नंबर 364. ओके, verb ch, most verbs that ends with ch, x, sh and ss, you have to put es with its verb. Okay, in third person singular. कोई भी वर्ब हो, वर्ब किसमें, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में, और उसकी एंडिंग सी एच हो, एक्स हो या फिर एस एच और एस एस से हो, तो उसमें आपको ई एस पुट करना होता है, सिंपली एस नहीं. फॉर इंस्टेंस वॉच, watches, here you can see ch and here we have to put es. Therefore fix, fixes, you can see x here, watch, sh here, so watches. Kiss, ss, so here kisses. Okay, therefore this rule is already present at Oxford British Grammar, John Ipswich, and this is to page number 364. Okay, let me show you these rules from the book. You can see on the display. Remove y and add ies. Any verb that ends with y, you have to remove y and add ies. It's a rule. कोई भी verb जिसकी ending y से हो और third person singular में आप use करें, तो उसको third person singular में आपको s पुट नहीं करना, y रिमूव करके ies का इजाफा करना है. फॉर इंस्टेंस try, tries, study, studies, apply, applies. Okay, let me give you homework. If you have any word, you have to mention in the comment. Therefore you have to apply this rule, a verb that ends with y, and you have to put what, a sentence. For instance, he tries. Okay, she studies. So what would be the next word? Kindly mention in the comment box. And if you have any kind of question, you can ask in comment box. In next video, we are going to discuss about 12 uses of present indefinite. See you in next video.